I'm sitting here in my turbocharged SAAB 9.3 convertible, model year 2002. I have an issue today. All my ABS and traction control lights are on. It doesn't affect the way the car drives, but it's really annoying to look at, so I'm going to take a ride up to the shop and try to fix it. I scanned the car and found a code for the left front speed sensor. The data is hard to interpret, but I've pointed out a telltale anomaly. So I put the car in the lift and got to work replacing the sensor. I noticed the reluctor ring on the right side is cracked, and it's odd that it's not throwing the code too. Anyway, it looks like someone tried to remove the left front sensor and broke the bolt. The wire goes up through the wheel well and under the coolant reservoir. I had to cut the plastic around the sensor to get it out. I soaked the area with penetrating oil. I grabbed what remained of the bolt and got it to turn, but then it broke. I'm not going to try anymore because that holder is plastic and I don't want it to break. When I lifted the reservoir, I had a surprise. I expected a normal connector, but a previous owner had spliced it and it was not very good either. Maybe I should have looked here first. I cut the connector off the new sensor and connected the wires to the vehicle, then reinstalled the reservoir. The new sensor went in and it sits pretty tight in there. But I added a zip tie for security because I'm not going to mess with that bolt. Now it's time for a road test. And the warning lights are off.